Hi. I'm going to talk about
Get rid of eye floaters easily, naturally and forever. Are you tired of seeing oddly shaped objects in your vision? Especially when looking at bright lights such as a blue sky? But what are exactly eye floaters? Eye floaters are deposits of various sizes and shapes that float within the eye. They are caused by degenerative changes of the vitreous humor, the clear gel that fills the eyeball. Eye infections, inflammation, wounds and damage to the eye can lead to eye floaters. A sudden increase in floaters can be one of the first signs of retinal detachment or other severe eye conditions. As one gets older, the number of eye floaters tends to increase. Even very young people can develop eye floaters. If you want to remove your eye floaters and keep vision in good state, you should avoid the typical vitrectomy treatments at all costs. This is because not only are these procedures ridiculously expensive, they are also prone to a high rate of complications. In fact, cataracts, retinal detachment and severe eye infections are unfortunately relatively common complications of these interventions. Introducing eye floaters no more system, a natural, non-surgical alternative to eye floaters with no risks, no expensive costs, no danger to your eyes or harmful side effects. In eye floaters no more system, you'll discover how to finally get rid of your stressful eye floaters, blocks of vision, the flashing lights, using a safe, natural and easy system. Eliminate your annoying eye floaters from the comfort of your home. How to prevent more eye floaters from forming. How to find out if your eye floaters are a sign of other eye conditions. Easy, natural ways to drastically improve your vision. And much, much more. Enjoy your life without the constant annoyance of eye floaters. To do all you can to get rid of your eye floaters, you have to act now. Click link in video description to download the eye floaters no more system now. Say goodbye to your constant annoyance of eye floaters by visiting the link in video description.
Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.